Hey guys, Mario here. In this video I'm going to show you how to mount a D5 pump into one of my reservoirs, because there's still a few people having trouble figuring this out. First thing you're going to need is a bare D5 pump or a 655 pump from any brand that you like. In this case I'm going to be using an Alphacool BPP 655 pump. Every reservoir for a D5 pump comes with a bracket, an o-ring, and some mounting screws. The first thing that you want to do is grab the cables from your pump and feed them through the bracket. Once the bracket is behind the pump, grab the o-ring that is provided with the kit and place it in front of the pump in between the bracket. Just make sure that the o-ring stays in place. Then you want to place your reservoir facing down, put the pump and bracket behind the reservoir, align the holes with the screws, and then you can start putting all the screws around the bracket. You're gonna need a 332 Allen key for it. Make sure that all the screws are snug first before you tighten it all the way down. Once you're ready to tighten all the screws down, try to do it cross pattern, so you can go from one side to the other side and just keep going all the way around. Once the bracket touches the back of the acrylic, you're not going to need to tighten it anymore. There might be a little bowing, but that's perfectly normal. Now that you finish mounting the pump to the reservoir, there is one more thing I would like to recommend. The first time that you turn the pump, try to run it at the lowest speed setting possible. This will help the air bubbles reach the top of the reservoir instead of going back inside the loop. Air bubbles can cause noise, so just allow some time for the air bubbles to reach the top of the reservoir, and then you can continue with using the pump as normally. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.